Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Filters area within a Power View sheet lets you filter all of the visualizations within the Power View sheet or filter only selected visualizations within the sheet. In addition, for any filter applied to the sheet or to a visualization, you can apply either a basic field filter or an advanced field filter. Basic filters can filter data by values in the selected field. Filter fields that contain a long list of values may also contain a search field that you can use to search for filtering values. Advanced filters let you apply advanced field filters, such as values greater than or less than a specified value, or values not equal to a selected field value, for example. The Filters area appears at the right side of the Power View sheet. To toggle the display of the Filters area on and off within the Power View sheet, click the Filters area button in the View button group on the Power View tab in the ribbon. To set a filter for the entire Power View sheet, click the View link in the Filters area. To set a filter on a specific visualization, click the visualization you want to filter in the Power View sheet, and then ensure that the name of the type of visualization, such as table or chart, is selected within the Filters area. Note that if you want to filter on aggregated values in a visualization, such as the sum of a sales amount field within a visualization, you must apply that filter to the selected field within the visualization. When you apply a filter to an entire sheet, it can only filter by the actual values contained within a field, not the aggregated values for that field within a visualization. For example, you can filter an entire Power View sheet by a sales amount field to only display sales where the amount of the sale was greater than $500. However, if you wanted to filter a visualization that showed the total or aggregated sales by each employee by values where the total sum of sales per employee was over $2,000, you would need to apply that filter to the specific visualization. After deciding whether to apply a filter to the sheet or to a selected visualization, you can then apply the filter. If you are applying a filter to the entire sheet, then you can drag the field by which you want to filter the values in the sheet from the Power View task pane and drop it into the View Filters shown in the Filters area. Alternatively, you can hover over a field within the Power View Fields task pane, click the drop-down at the right end of the field, and then choose the Add to View Filter command. If you are applying a filter to a selected visualization, simply click the name of the visualization type in the Filters area to see your filtering options. To apply a basic filter to a filter field, you can simply click the arrow at the left end of the name to expand it and show the field's values. You can then click the checkbox to the left of the field's values that you want to display within the filter. This type of filter is also called a list filter. If you happen to have a long list of values, then you may see a search field appear above the list of values. To search for a value, type the value to find into this box and press the Enter key on your keyboard, or click the magnifying glass button at the right end of the box. Note that you can enter wildcard characters into this box to search for unknown values if needed. The question mark character is used to represent one unknown character, and the asterisk represents multiple unknown characters. For example, entering T asterisk would find words of any length that start with the letter T. After searching for your items, the value list will be filtered to display matching values, which you can check to filter the sheet or the visualization. You can click the X button that appears at the right end of the search field after searching to display all the values again. To change the type of filter to an advanced filter or a range filter, if available, you can simply click the Advanced Filter Mode button or Range Filter Mode button that appears at the left end of the three buttons in the upper right corner of the filter field within the Filters area. You can repeatedly click this same button to cycle through the different types of filters that are available for your selected filter field. To apply a range filter to your selected field, if available, place your mouse pointer at the left end of the range of values shown in the bar and click and drag to set the lower range of values to display. Then place your mouse pointer over the right end of the values shown in the bar and click and drag to set the upper range of values to display. You can also click and drag directly on the bar itself when it is not set to display all values to move the selected range of values that are shown. To apply an advanced filter to your selected field, you simply use the top drop-down to select the desired comparison criteria. Then type the criteria value into the field directly below the drop-down. To add additional filtering comparisons, select either the term "and" or below the criteria, and use the drop-down to select a comparison criteria and enter the criteria value into the field below that. When finished creating your advanced filtering criteria, click the Apply Filter link to apply your advanced filter to the field. To clear a filter after applying it to either the sheet or a selected visualization, click the Clear Filter button, which looks like an eraser, in the upper right corner of the filter field in the Filters area. To delete a filter field from the View pane in the Filters area, to delete a filter field used to filter the Power View sheet, you can simply click the Delete Filter button, which looks like an X in the upper right corner of the filter field in the Filters area.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.